Teaching Guide.
Hello, welcome. In this video, I am going to discuss about the phonic sounds. So first let's understand what actually the phonic means. Phonics is a way of teaching to read the words using the alphabet sounds. In English language, there are 26 alphabets. So every alphabet have different sounds. In this video, I am going to teach you the phonic sound for letter B. Here you can see an uppercase P and a small case p. B can also be written in different fonts. The one like here, B can be written in cursive letters, that is in capital cursive letters and in small cursive letters. The phonic sound of B is B. Now how to make the B sound? First you need to touch your lips and then let some air pass through the middle of the mouth. That is B, B, B. So I am going to tell you a story of a boy called Bob. Would you like to meet Bob? Hello Bob, how are you?
I'm fine too.
Oh, Bob, he's so happy. Bob is a happy boy, but sometimes he gets sad, he gets bored. Oh, he was telling me that he got bored yesterday. He was reading books and so he got bored. So what did he do next? He put his books in the bag. So here we came across the words that start with B. Let's take a look at it. Bob, B-O-B, Bob. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. Book, B-O-O-K, book. Bag, B-A-G, bag. Back, B-A-C-K, back. Did you notice the words that start with B? So let's take a look at it. We have Bob, B-O-B, Bob. Bob, we just met now. B-O-B, Bob. Bob is a happy boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. He got bored as he read books. So we have B-O-O-K-S, books. B-O-O-K-S, books. And what he did finally? He put them in the bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. So let's see, what did Bob do next? Bob played with a bubble stick and blowed bubbles. They were big and small. He bought the bubble stick from the beach and paid a bill of AED5 for it. This is a bill of AED5. Then you know what he told me? He told me that he enjoyed sailing in the blue boat there, same like this. So let's take a look at the words that start with letter B. Bubble, B-U-B-B-L-E, bubble, bubble. Blow, B-L-O-W, blow, blow. Big, B-I-G, big. Blue, the color blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Bob enjoyed the sailing in blue boat, B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Now, can you identify these pictures? And then Bob visited some other place. Do you want to know where did he go? He visited the barn. This is a barn. Take a look at this. B-A-R-N, barn. B-A-R-N, barn. When he entered the barn, he saw it filled with bunch of banana. Hey, I have got a bunch of banana with me. It's a bunch of banana. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. B-U-N-C-H, bunch of yellow bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Bob ate banana and then he walked to the sides of the barn. There he found a bouncing ball. So he picked it up and he bounced the ball, and the ball bumped. B, b, b. So let's take a look at the words that start with the B sound. B-O-U-N-C-E, bounce. B-O-U-N-C-E, bounce. Ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Bump. B-U-M-P, bump. B-U-M-P, bump. Later, Bob felt hungry, so he ate biscuits. Biscuits. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S, biscuits. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S, biscuits. When it started to get dark, Bob looked up in the sky and he found it was black. B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. And suddenly a bug, B-U-G, bug, B-U-G, bug, bit Bob on his hand. He got a big boil. The boil started to itch, so he started scratching it. And the blood started oozing out of it. So now let's take a look at all the B words. Bug, B-U-G, bug. Bug, B-U-G, bug. Boil, B-O-I-L, boil. B-O-I-L, boil. Blood, B-L-O-O-D, blood. B-L-O-O-D, blood. Poor Bob had to run back home to fetch a bandage from the brown box. So here we come across two words that start with the letter B. B-A-N-D-A-G-E, bandage. B-A-N-D-A-G-E, bandage. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Box, B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. So this was a story of Bob. Hope you all liked it. Let's take a look at the words that start with letter B. Now your task is to find out the words that start with letter B and write it in the comment section below.
Now, can you identify these pictures?
Hey, till then, bye.
Teaching Guide.